Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete or disable the Google Chrome application on your Android device. Please note that on many Android phones, Google Chrome comes as a pre-installed system app, so it cannot be fully uninstalled. However, you can disable it, which works almost the same as deleting it. Open the Settings app on your phone. This is the main control center where you can manage important options such as network settings, display, security, privacy, and system updates. Next, scroll down and look for apps or applications, then tap on it. This section shows a complete list of all the apps installed on your device, including system apps and user-installed apps. Now scroll through the list and locate Google Chrome. Once you find it, tap on Chrome to open the app information page. Here, you'll see details like storage usage, permissions, notifications, and battery usage. On this page, look for the Disable option. Tap on Disable, then confirm by tapping Disable app again. When you disable Google Chrome, the app is removed from your app drawer, stopped from running in the background, and prevented from updating. This makes it look and behave as if the app has been deleted. If your phone supports full uninstallation, you may see an uninstall button instead of disable. In that case, simply tap uninstall and confirm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.